Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a deletion operation in a binary heap. So, in previous video, we discussed the insertion operation. If you have not seen this insertion operation in a binary heap, you please watch that video. Now, we are going to discuss a deletion operation. Deletion operation is nothing but here delete min or delete max. Delete min is nothing but min heap. Delete max is nothing but we will perform that delete max operation in max heap. As you know, min heap is nothing but parent is less than its children. Max heap is nothing but parent is greater than its children. Okay, so now how to perform this? So now we are going to discuss delete max operation so that you can easily do delete min operation. Okay, so delete max operation. So how to perform delete max? Delete max is nothing but the maximum element is present at root node. No? So that root node we will delete. But root node deletion is meaningless. Okay. So meaningless is nothing but here the tree will become tree is not a proper one. Okay. So now consider an example delete max like 40, 30, 20. Here it is like less than its parent na, like 28, 22. Here it is 10. Parent is greater than its children. Parent is greater than its children. Yeah, okay. So now we want to perform delete max. How to perform delete max? So this node we have to delete. So delete it. Then here it is 30, 20, 28, 22, 10. Here whole is created. Then what shall we do? You have to replace this whole with other element. What is that element? That element is the last element. So here we will replace 10, 10 left 30, 10 right 20, 30 left 28, 30 right 22. As here we have done like this. So we have moved 10 to its parent root position. That means root node. Okay. So now, okay, we have replaced and now there is no hole. But is it a correct max heap? It is not a correct max heap. Why? Here parent is less than its children. So it is not a max heap. Then what shall we do? We have to convert that into the form of max heap. Convert into the form of max heap. Now, how to convert into max heap? So, now compare its children. So, which one is max? So, max is 30. Now, place this 10 in some temporary variable. Find out maximum element. Maximum element is 30. Okay. So, place 30 in its parent position. Here it is 30. Now, whole is created here. 28, 22 and then 20. Now whole is created here. Now find out the maximum element from its children. Here it is the whole. Now which one is the maximum element? This is the maximum element. So compare 28 and 10. As 28 is greater, then 28 is moved to whole position. So 30, 28, 20, here whole is created, 22, here whole is created. But is this hole having any children? No. Then place this temp in its hole position. That's it. This is MaxHeap. So after deleting, you can convert that MaxHeap. That means after deleting, you can convert into MaxHeap. So after deletion, we have to verify. So you are replacing this with the whole, you are replacing with the last node. No. So after replacing, check whether it is MaxHeap or not. If it is not a MaxHeap, then perform like a Heapify. That means convert into the form of either MaxHeap or MinHeap. Okay. Now take another example. Suppose 52, 49, 45, 36, 39, 41, then 44. Suppose it is a MaxHeap. See, check whether it is MaxHeap or not. Parent is greater than its children. Parent is greater than its children. Parent is greater than its children. Yeah. Now what is the operation we want to perform? We want to perform DeleteMax operation. Now delete this 52. Now hole is created here. 49, 45, 36, 39, 41, 44. Now replace this hole with this node. Okay. So now here hole is created na, as usual process. So place 44 in its hole position. Now from here, this is 44, 49, 45, 36, 39, 41. After replacing this hole with 44, check is it a MaxHeap or not. It is not a MaxHeap. Why? Because here 44 is there, here 45 is there. What is MaxHeap property? Parent is greater than its children. See, 49 is here. So it is not a MaxHeap. Then what shall we do? We have to convert that into MaxHeap. So store that element in temporary variable. Okay. So now find out the maximum child 49 and 45. Which one is big child? This is a big child. Now move 49 to its parent position. Then you will get a 49. Here hole is created. 45, 36, 39, 41. Hole is created here. Shall we directly place 44 in the hole position? No. Of course, here after inserting 44, it may be a MaxHeap, but now we should not. In this case, it is satisfying, but not in all cases. So that's why again find out a big child, holes a big child. This is a big child. Okay. So then find out this 39. Compare this 39 and 44. So now as 44 is big, now place that 44 in the hole position. Now 49, 44, 45, 36, 39, 41. Yeah, it is MaxHeap. In this way, you can perform MaxHeap deletion operation. MaxHeap deletion operation means what? DeleteMax operation we can perform. Hope you understand, students. So if you understand the concept, please share with your friends. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel for getting latest videos. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye. Take care.